Hello guys, whoa. So welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't already guessed by the title of this video or that intro, like what was that? Then I am doing hairstyles. So these are my top 5 hairstyles that I love to do, like on a daily basis, or if I'm going shopping. Do you all know me? I love to shop. See, I've got a new NASA top. I love it. So let's get started. So all you need is hair bubbles. So these are like the thicker ones. I've got thinner ones, and I've also got some mini ones, and I've also got a pack of like hair slides because I need them. So my hair is actually pretty messy today. So I curled it yesterday thinking, oh, it'll be all nice and wavy today. No, I had to recurl it, so it's a bit curlier than I want, but oh wow, let's go with it. The first one is very simple. So what you do, I don't know the name for this, I've called it a twist on both sides, but basically what you do is you take the front bit, like I'm doing this into my viewfinder, so if I'm looking up a lot then that's why, but basically just take a small section. If you need to brush your hair out, that's fine. I really don't want to use my brush if you don't want to see the state of it. I tried to de-hair it and yeah, not good. I needed a new one. And then split that section in half, and you put the half that's at the front over behind, but don't twist it all the way, just like a half twist. And as you do that, like a French braid, you gather a bit more from here, and then you twist that. And then with the one that's you did first time, I think, you gather a bit more from the front, and then like bring it up, and then just keep repeating that. My hair is super knotty, so this isn't going to be perfect because I don't have a mirror to see, as I left it upstairs and I can't really bother. And then when you've got to like as much as you want to go down, you just then like twist these to as much as you want, and then you clip it behind. So don't do it with a bobble, because unless you want to hold it in place with a bobble, because it's just going to come undone. I use 2 for support and like cross them over. I don't know if you've got, see? If I bring you forward, hi, for the next one, I can do it for this side. So again, you just take front section and take the top one over, gather a bit more from here, and just keep following that same pattern. I honestly can't see because I'm trying to show you. So this side has less because I have less hair on this side, but as long as it sort of like looks even from there. I think I just look like an alien. And then just twist as much as you want. And oh god, what a bobble. Bobble? I'm done. She grows, even I go wrong. Do not worry. Ah, I caught my lip in my pin. That hurt. There you go. So that is number 1. I'm not a hairdresser, I'm no professional. It's just what I love to do, and I'm good at like doing my own hair, but when it comes to someone else's, then I'm like, no, you can do that yourself, because I can never do things tight enough. I think because I've never practiced, I've never needed to. But yeah. So the next one is 2 French braids that go there. So my French braids, I always tend to do like the backwards ones, just because it stands out better in my hair. Some people can just do like the normal ones. What's it called? For this one, I just take a bit from the front and split it into 3. If you need to use a comb with like a pointy end, or I don't know what that's called either, you can. I just tend to just guess and go for it, I suppose. I always put the one nearest my parting underneath the middle one, and then the one on the other side I gather a little bit of hair and put underneath the one that is now in the middle. I pop my hand, and then I take a bit from the top and pull out. This one you may need to brush your hair a bit while doing it. Take a bit from there. So my hair is probably going to be very knotty as I'm not brushing it out, but we'll go with it, and then just carry on that process till you get to like the back of your head. So now I'm at the back. I'm just going to use one of my little bobbles. I can only wrap mine around twice. Mine's very loose and I'm not liking it already. And then you just like tie it. And then you can always clip it where you need to. It's probably normally tighter here. And then just do the same on the other side. I've had to go for a mirror. Okay, so when we've got to the end of the braid, I can put another bobble in. I know that they are not equal. Obviously this hair has less to go into it. You can always just pin up that bit where it sometimes comes looser, and that's fine. So from the back, this is probably one of the worst ones I've done, but I really don't want to have to redo it because then it's not authentic. But here you go, so that's my hair now. So that's a hairstyle that I can just leave like that. But what I also tend to do is, sometimes I clip these, but what I'm going to do is join them together at the back, so to make like a ponytail. Try and get all the loose bits of hair out. Ponytail there. So I'm going to use like a thinner bobble. Now that that's secure, I'm going to take out these two little bobbles because they'll just get into the way. So you could just leave it like that, or what you can do is just like bring these braids out to make them thicker. Just like put your nails in, that one doesn't. So you can either twist it, so this is for number 3, to make like a bun. So you've got the bun there. So that's just like a normal bun that you would have in your hair. Or what you could do is, instead of a normal one, take this, do a plait in it. Just a normal plait. And then when you get to the bottom, use one of these little bobbles. Put it on the end, because you know where else would you put it? And then you can spread the plait out. This is what I was on about for like the top of the braid. And then you can wrap that around to make a bun. And then you can clip in where you need to. There you go, so obviously that would be a bit tighter and this bobble would be like here. You've got the French braids into the bun. Number 4 is a very simple one that it's probably not even really classed as a hairstyle. I think you're on a one. So what it is just a ponytail really. So I have my hair a little bit shorter at the front. So the bits that's shorter at the front, I'm just going to keep out. Like that. And the rest, I'm not even going to brush it back. But you just put into a ponytail. tie the ponytail. This looks nice either with straight hair or hair curled. Just pull it tight, bring these, like, bunch it out a bit to make it look a bit messier, and just leave these bits down. And that's done. So that is a very, very simple, quick and easy, but like nice and effective one. I know my fringe is not even for some reason. I think I've taken some hair from my friend. Ah, there it is. Just make sure you've got all your fringe out. Or, I mean, even if you don't even need a fringe for it, just keep your front bit of like hair, like keep the front bit that's like that out, and you're done. It's just a ponytail. And you've got your parting there, or wherever you have your parting, then that is it. So number 5 is one that I actually, oh my god, my hair is everywhere. So if you've seen my last post, well, my last video where I said I had low iron, I lose a lot of hair. So that is all from one bobble. So what I do is a French braid, but you only take bits from the top and it goes all the way around, and then this bit gets pulled into it. It just comes down the side, and then quite like it. It's very effective. So this is actually a French braid that I do the normal way. Right guys, you're not going to be able to notice it, so I'm going to do it as a backwards braid just so then you can see it better. I think because it sticks out more the other way. I'm going to try and turn around as I go around my hair. Oh, you can still see. You can always brush it if you need to. So when you get to about here, you can start pulling in. Now this bit, try and do as tight as you can, but you can always clip it as well. And you just bring that into the braid, into the top bit. But as you can see, mine's already gone loose. And then you just clip it down. I think my camera's about to stop recording. Oh my god. But this one, you can do some nice bits with, to be honest. It's just put a bobble in. I'm using the little mini one. Okay, so try and do it tighter than what I have. I had a distraction, my camera was flashing at me. And then this bit, you can just get a clip. Try and hide if you can. Or what you can do is you can get little bows. That looks nice there, or a flower. And then I've probably taken a bit too much from here. Try and get it a bit more equal. And it looks like your hair's down, but then you have this amazing braid that if you just pull it down, makes it more even. You bring the plait out. It's just something a little bit extra that you can do with your hair, and I love this one. So this is it all the way around. So it comes a bit like a waterfall all the way down. I think that is my favourite hairstyle, and I might even like leave it in because I've got a meeting after. Do I leave it in? I think I'll leave it in. But you can always braid this bit up if you want to as well. It's entirely up to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've had so much fun. It's been ages since I've done hairstyle, because since quarantine and lockdown and corona, when I go to work, my hair has to be tied up. We'll get there. Hopefully very soon I can start doing my hair like this again, because I miss it. I mean, it hardly takes any time in the morning for me to do my hair. But obviously completely understand that we need it tied up, like that's fine. Try these out yourself and tag me in them on Instagram. I'll put my name here for you, and somewhere. So yeah, send me your attempts at making them, whether they're fails, they're successes. You can probably do them way better than me. I'm going to put some top tips at the end of this video for you. Don't forget, if you need to hairspray them. But don't forget, most of all, to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, so then every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Like this video, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.